Hi there. If you found this webpage, then you're a bit lucky. It means you're either looking to lose weight or burn calories, and you want to shed that stubborn body fat. Maybe you've been struggling to burn the calories you need to drop the weight. Maybe you're losing pounds but still have body fat in all the wrong places, or maybe you just want to be fit and healthy. We're going to show you exactly how to do that in a few short minutes. Let's face it, getting the body you want is hard. It takes time, effort, and most of all, commitment. The problem with most workout programs today is they're too long and too rigorous to be maintained long term. They make exercise seem like a chore, and before you know it, you're off the workout bandwagon once again. You need something faster and more reliable. Enter Hit It Hard, a revolutionary, high-intensity interval training system researched and tested by the Health Status team to help you burn more calories and shed unwanted pounds in only 20 minutes a day, 3 days a week. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT for short, is a form of exercise where you alternate between very intense bouts of activity coupled with active rest periods. By giving it your all for those 20 minutes, research has shown that you burn calories up to 60% faster than by longer traditional cardio training methods. Since 1998, Health Status has been using the most cutting-edge weight loss tools to help people just like you reshape their bodies and their lives. Using our tools and knowledge, our specialists have developed this Hit It Hard program so that you will get faster results in less time. But our weight loss system doesn't stop with the workout routine. We cover topics such as nutrition, diet, metabolism, hydration, supplements, and motivation tips, all designed to further optimize your results and get you that dream body you've always wanted. Here's what you'll get with our system. You get complete online access to the following: our Hit It Hard training manual that's been researched and tested by the Health Status team, online support from our experts, easy to follow along video exercises, workout plans, and much, much more. And all it takes is working out 20 minutes a day, 3 days a week. Now you're probably wondering, what's the price for this complete system? Well, for a system that's specifically designed and laid out to be easy to learn so that you can start getting results today, it could be valued as much as $200. This is the only program of its kind, so you won't find this information anywhere else. But we wanted something more at Health Status. We wanted to create a system that's simple, potent, and effective without breaking the budget. That's why we created an online system, so you won't be paying $200. You won't even be paying $100. If you order today, you'll get instant access to the entire Hit It Hard program for just $27. Excited much? You should be. Now here's the kicker. If you order our Hit It Hard program right now, we'll personally back it up with a 100% money-back guarantee. Yep. If for any reason you're not 100% satisfied with your results, you can just email us within 60 days and we'll refund your money in full. So you have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. Think how awesome it will be to feel vibrant and healthy in your new body. It's time. Click the Add to Cart button where you'll be transferred to a special page so you can sign up for our program. It's time to make a change. So go on, click Add to Cart and let us help you get the body you've always wanted.